हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छी हो और अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ाई भी कर रही हो। जैसे कि हम लोग प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट किए थे, तो आज के इस क्लास में यानी कि वीडियो में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 2012 में यूजीसी नेट एग्ज़ाम में जो पेपर हुआ था उसको हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ठीक है, आप लोग पेन पेपर लेके बैठ जाओ। और ये जून वाले है, ये जे फॉर जून। चलो, पहला क्वेश्चन, आप लोग नंबर देना, पेन पेपर ले लो हाथ में, तब तक मैं रेडी करती हूँ। और एक नंबर देना, मैं क्वेश्चन बोलूँगी, आप लोग एक के साथ आंसर वहाँ पर लिखोगे। फिर जब मैं ऑफिशियल जो आंसर की है यूजीसी नेट की तरफ से वो बोलूँगी, तो तब तक आप लोग देख लेना कि अच्छा ये सही हुई या फिर रॉन्ग हुई। ठीक है, चलो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि द आर्गुमेंट्स प्रेजेंटेड इन फेवर ऑफ वेदास इंक्लूड ए पावर ऑफ ऑथर्स, बी characters of the authors, C purpose of the authors, and D none of the above. So which is the correct answer of this question? आप लोग पेन पेपर में एक लिखकर ऐसे ABCD ऑप्शन को लिखो, फिर मैं बताती हूँ। ठीक है, yes, and the correct answer of this question is option D, none of the above. Next question, on the question of nature of self, the Charvaka philosophy can be classified as A. Dehatmavadins, B. Pranavadins, C. Indriyatmavadins, and D. All of the above. According to Charvak. ठीक है, yes, correct answer is option A. Dehatmavadins. Next question. Question number 3. The habit of yajna results in benefiting option A. Ridvik, option B. Consumer of the habit, option C. Devata, and option D. None of these. So which is the correct answer of this question? Correct answer of this question is consumer of the habit. Next question. Question number 4. The Vedic word Rita stands for moral order, cosmic order, both moral and cosmic order, and neither moral nor cosmic order. And this question correct answer is question number 4 is both moral and cosmic order. Question 5. Which out of the following does not refute perception as a valid means of knowledge? A. Jayarashi Bhatta, B. Sri Harsha, C. Gautama, and D. Nagarjuna. Yes, correct answer is option C. Gautama. Question 5. Question 6. Which of the following does not form a part of Brahma Vihara? A. Maitri, B. Daya, C. Mudita, and D. Upeksha. Correct answer is option B. Daya. Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upeksha. यहाँ पर क्या नहीं है? करुणा नहीं है। Question 7. The Buddhist doctrine of Pratitya Samutpada can be defined as A. There is no permanent self, B. Whatever is momentary, and C. There is no origination of some elements, option D. Whatever originate on some conditions. एक कीवर्ड्स है, उसमें ही पता लग जाती है इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर। क्वेश्चन 7 कंडीशंस, दैट इज ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं करेंगे डिटेल, ठीक है, हम बस ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे कि कितना हुई है। आप लोग पेन पेपर लेकर बैठे हो ना, मॉक टेस्ट की तरह है, बस मैं क्विक बोलूँगी और आप लोग पेन पेपर में लिखोगे, मैं बोलूँगी, फिर मिला लेना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. लिबरेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू जैनिज्म इज ए freedom from life and death only. B. Freedom from karma only. C. Freedom from matter only. And D. All the above. And question 8, option D is the correct answer. यहाँ पर हिंदी ये पीडीएफ में दे दूंगी, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन 9, लिबरेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू जैनिज्म इज टर्म एज ए भावमोक्ष, बी द्रव्यमोक्ष, सी भावमोक्ष and द्रव्यमोक्ष both, and D neither. And correct answer is option C, both bhavamoksha and dravyamoksha. Question number 10. Which of the following sets is consistent? A. Shunyabada Chandrakirti, B. Nirguna Ramanuja, C. Shatkaryabada Gautama, and D. Karmabada Charvaka. And correct answer is option A. Shunyabada Chandrakirti. Question number 11. The view that all types of pratyaksha are nirvikalpa is upheld by A. Nyaya, B. Vaisheshika, C. Buddha, and D. Vishishtadvaita. And question 11, correct answer is option C, that is Buddhism, Buddha. And question number 12, Prapatti is the relation between A. Jiva and Jagat, B. Brahma and Jagat, C. Jiva and Ishvara, and D. Jiva and Brahman. And question number 12 is the correct answer is both Jiva and Brahma. Question 13. According to the Vaisheshika school, the universal countenance is A. Non-eternal and many, B. Eternal and many, C. Eternal one and residing in many, and option D. Non-eternal and one. Non-eternal and one. Which is the correct answer of this question? Yes, eternal, one, residing, and many. Question number 14. Bhakti can be properly defined as A. Invariable concomitance, B. Causal relation, C. Sequence, and D. None of the above. And question 14 is the correct answer is invariable concomitance. अच्छा ये बताओ तो किसके साथ इनवेरिएबल कॉन्कोमिटेंस किसके साथ होती है? हेतु और सद्ध. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. An unique innovation of Mimamsa philosophy about the source of knowledge is A. Anupalabdhi, B. Inference, C. Comparison, and D. Testimony. Correct answer is Anupalabdhi. Question number 16. Which one of the following alternatives is accepted by Mimamsa? A. Shato Pramanna, Shato Apramanna, B. Parato Pramanna, Parato Apramanna, C. Shato Pramanna, Parato Apramanna, and D. Parato Pramanna, Shato Apramanna. Question 16. According to Mimamsa, that is Shato Pramanna and Parato Apramanna. Both Shato Pramanna, Shato Apramanna, Shankho. Parato Pramanna, Parato Apramanna, Noyayika. ठीक है, हिंदी भी. Next. Question number 17. Shankho theory of causation is based upon A. Effect is not related with the cause, B. Effect does not pre-exist in the cause, option C. Effect is produced out of nothing, and option D. Effect pre-exists in the cause. 17. Correct answer option D. Effect pre-exists in the cause. Question 18. The Patanjali, question 18. The Patanjali Sasmita is a kind of a yoga, B. Samadhi, C. Asana, and D. Pranayama. Question 18. Correct answer is Samadhi. Question 19. The theory of causation as proposed by Shankaradaita is corroborated by A. Experience, B. Logic, C. Scriptures, and D. All the above. Question 19. Correct answer is option B. Logic. Question 20. The theory that the effect is only the apparent result of the cause is known as A. Shatkaryavada, B. Ashatkaryavada, C. Parinamvada, and D. Vivartavada. Question 20. Yes, correct answer is option D. Shatkaryavada, Shankho school, असत्कर्यवाद नैयायिक, परिणामवाद बोध होती है सांख्य प्रकृति पुरुष परिणामवाद है ना। चलो क्वेश्चन 21. पॉइंट आउट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग रीजन व्हाई डॉक्टर B.R. Ambedkar opposed the caste system prevalent in India. A. Dash as it creates discrimination, social injustice, and inequality within the Indian nation. B. Dash as it is foreign innovation. C. As it is Vedic heritage. And D. As it is suggested by Shriti. And correct answer is option A. Dash it is creates discrimination is a very important. Discrimination, social injustice, and inequality within the Indian nation. Question 22. The theory of evolution accepted by Sri Aurobindo is known as A. Emergent evolution, B. Mechanical evolution, C. Integral evolution, D. None of the above. Question 22. Correct answer is option C. Integral evolution. Question 23. To whom of the following statement can be rightfully attributed to he reads Shankara from a Hegelian point of the view? A. Swami Vivekananda, B. Sri Aurobindo, C. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and D. J. Krishnamurti. Question 23. Correct answer is option B. Sri Aurobindo. Question 24. True knowledge according to J. Krishnamurti is as follows. A. Accepted by religious text. B. Prescribed by masters. C. Unconditional awareness. D. Conditional reactions. Question 24. Yes, unconditional awareness. And question number 25. Mahatma Gandhi criticized industrialization in one of the following writings. A. Autobiography, B. Hind Swaraj, C. Key to Health, and D. Horizon. 25 is the correct answer is हिंद स्वराज. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. आप लोगों को पेन पेपर में देखो कितने करेक्ट हुई, और आप लोग चाहे तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हो कि मेरे इतनी हुई, और बाकी 26 से हम 50 तक कल करेंगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू.